Hi, today we came with a new tutorial because we saw that there's a need. Now Bitcoin is up by 346,674 rands because it went up. So a lot of people want to buy, want to sell because there's a lot of things. So now question was, how do I sell my Bitcoin? Because I had Bitcoins there and I want to sell it quickly before it goes down. You get me? Bitcoin is, I would say, 100% gambling. This is gambling. So people did just say, okay, if it goes up then I sell, if it comes up, all those things. So people wanna sell their Bitcoin in time before it goes down. You can see it up. You can find tomorrow it could be in 200, it can be in 100,000, it could be in 0, it could be in 700. And somebody could say, maybe, well, you don't know what you're talking about. I know what I'm talking about. I did this before. 1 week everything was fine, but you can see, you saw even now we're talking now, it flashed here and it went up same time. Bitcoin is going up, you get me? It's making people crazy here. So since it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, what does it mean? It means it's going up, anytime it can go down, you understand? So it was 4 here, but the time I started the video, now it's 5, you get me? You can see now it changed same time. You can see what I'm trying to say. I'm doing a live video and Bitcoin is disappointing and coming back, disappointing and coming back. I guess you can believe, you can see it went back again. It can go down same time. Let's copy this number now, and you're gonna see the number I'm telling you. Just in seconds it changes. Your money, you can be worth this now and worth is 0 after 1 hour 20 minutes. That's why we say Bitcoin is 100% gambling, because you're not sure of what you're looking for, you're not sure of what you're gonna get, and you also depend on chances, saying maybe it's gonna be fine, maybe what. So now you can see it went down now. So if you want to buy now, look where it was, look now where it went, look now, just seconds. You can see it's going up and going down, it's going up and going down. So everyone is asking, what can I do? I want to sell now, because this thing, in a second, in the time maybe I'm gonna be showing you how to sell, in the time you press the button, it's gonna be down. Do you understand? That's the thing I'm showing you. So since it's gonna be down, look now how much it cut from that. It's gonna be down, up and down, up and down. So the whole day is gonna be down and down. So I'm gonna go to withdraw. Let me go to wallet and I show you something. This is the wallet. There is 1024 rands. Okay, the time I put something like 600, but now they're gonna be what they call, you don't have to forget, they're gonna be withdrawal charges. So they're gonna charge when you sell, and also they're gonna charge when you withdraw money from after selling. You're gonna withdraw money to your account, to your bank account. So also that they're gonna charge you, you understand? So they're gonna be two charges, you get me? So when you sell Bitcoin money, when you sell, it's not the same as when you're selling another coin here. So this coin could be a little bit cheaper or could be a little bit expensive. You can see what we have here. So I want to show you that you can sell one by one by one. Then after you sell all of them, then what happens is, like, you're gonna do what? You're gonna have to also withdraw money to go to your account. Or if you wanna leave it there, it's up to you. You can see, maybe you gain money, then you sell. After selling, you leave the money in your wallet. So if it goes up, maybe you wanna buy. But don't forget, this is gambling. If you lose, don't cry for anybody. So the reason why I did this tutorial, I want to take out the small money I have in here, and also to help people sell. Maybe now you realize that this thing is gambling. You can make money in flash, you can lose money in just a second, you understand? You can even, I don't know what can I say, but it's something which I don't encourage people to do much. If you want to do whatever, but if you want to do it, it's up to you, but I discourage it. And I've seen people who are in finance a lot, they do discourage this, but if you wanna do it, it's up to you. You can do it. Maybe you eat money from it, who knows. If it works for you, it works for you. But the reason why we're doing this tutorial is to show you how to buy, how to sell on your thing. So people, when they say, they don't understand this thing. When we say withdraw, when you say withdraw, it doesn't simply mean that you withdrawing what you're gonna sell. No, it doesn't mean that. Simply mean that let me say cryptocurrency. It simply mean you're going to withdraw or send a coin to another wallet. So it doesn't mean you're gonna get money. It simply means you transferring this coin to another platform, you get me, or to another wallet. Same, maybe you might have 2 accounts of Bitcoin. You want to put one account, you want to take out all these the coins you have here and put them in one account, or you want to send somebody account. So if I say I want to withdraw this, whatever money I have here, whatever coins I have in Cardano, it wants me to get the address. So I should get the Bitcoin address where I'm going to receive this, or somebody I'm trying to pay, but I'm paying this person via address. So withdraw doesn't mean you are selling your thing, you're gonna get money. No, that's the thing you have to know. Withdrawing doesn't mean that. So even if I click here, you can see I'm taking everything here, but now what happens? So if I take all this figure out, if I try to buy, it won't, because it wants what? The address. So if you want to pay somebody by Bitcoin or whatever coin, you have to get their address here. Maybe they are on Coinbase, maybe they are on Luno, maybe they are on any other Bitcoin selling platform. Then you put their address here, the correct address. If you put a wrong address, those coins gonna get lost. And Bitcoin, you know, it's not like where you're gonna go to the bank, you call them and maybe send emails and maybe they help you, or your coins are here. No, chances are high they're gonna get lost. We say that's why here down they say, please note all withdrawals are final and it is not possible to reverse them. That's impossible. Once you lose them, you've lost them. You can understand, this is the way this business work. So if you want to withdraw, put the right address, check it 5 to 6 times, because this is money. Then you pay a person, it's gonna send you an email and ask you if what you're doing is right. You understand? Okay, that's okay. Okay, that's fine. So now we can skip this. These are all the coins I want to sell. So if I want to sell them to get my money, I don't go to withdraw. Why do I go? I go to buy and sell. Click buy and sell there. So I select sell instead of buying. Then I select which coin I'm looking for. I want to sell Cardano, which is also known as ADA. I click there. After that, then it says max. Yes, I want to sell max. I say sell. Okay, sell, easy and sell. You can sell less than 5 rand on easy buy and sell. Okay, please use main exchange for large orders. Go to exchange. Okay, it gives me that. Let me see, rands. Let me try to type in money here. Doesn't give me any option here. Okay, they change their platform. Let me see. Okay, that's what it gave me. Okay, this is what they, okay, when you click on max, then it sells this. It gave me exactly what I have. And you remember I had 1,000 plus, so they took out their taxi. I think they took 50 rands, 70 rands there. That's what they took. I'm gonna say sell. Successfully, I've successfully placed an order. Okay, if I've placed an order, let me see, go to wallet. Okay, you can see that now I have my money here. So simply means I had 1,024 rands. 1,024 rands minus this. I'm gonna give you the calculations there, and I show you how much they took. .com. I'm gonna say calculator. Okay, 1024 rand minus 960. Is it 960 what? 969. 969. I had 3 rands somewhere there, but I don't worry. That's okay. They took something like 55 rands. Okay, that is done, guys. Once this is the money they took away from my transaction I've made. The more the money, the more they take. You get me? So I'm now fine. I've sold my Cardano, so I'm cool. If I wanna sell Ripple, I've got Ripple here. Maybe it's equivalent to 0 something cents. I can sell it. I have this, but some of them they become so small whereby you cannot sell them. I'm gonna look for TRX. Okay, I've got 40 cents there. Let me see if I can sell that also. Buy and sell, and say sell. You click here and choose whatever RX. I saw no XRP. I had Ripple. Let me see other. I saw the other. This is what I've got, and I say max. Click on max. That's what I have. Say sell. Okay, they did not give me a chance here. Click again. It showed us that before. Wow, you cannot sell less than 5 rand. You can see the things they have is so little, so they cannot give me any money here. Why? Because they are in cents. So since they are in cents, that is simply means that money is like it's lost because it's too small. Their thing I have to have also these ones gonna be used by them because me I can't get this anymore. So now you can see that we've successfully sold. Our money is in our wallet, so this money cannot grow or it cannot sink. So simply means it's on your wallet. So if I want to buy, I can buy, or if I want to withdraw that money, I can withdraw that money to my bank account. So what also that gonna mean, this is my own money. I'm gonna withdraw. Still they're gonna take some money. If I withdraw this money to my account, they're gonna take some fees. So guys, that's the way you do things if you want to do what you can see now where it is, where it's standing now. I guess you can see. So that's the way you do things if you want to do what, if you want to sell your Bitcoin. You sell, you don't withdraw. Thanks for watching, guys. Even if you're using other platforms, these things are the same. It doesn't matter. You don't withdraw, you sell. You get me? Thanks for watching, guys. See you in another video, and I hope this tutorial was so helpful to you. That's why you can see now on my thing it's 968, so it shows the money I have. So this money, even if I come 10 years, it's gonna be like this, unless if I buy something, if I'm now in trade. So I'm not trading nothing, so that's why it's gonna stand like that. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope that helps.